That time of the year again. I finally can start the first seed. I know it's just beginning of February and it's pretty early for all that, but those ones take a while. They need to be started about 3 to 4 weeks before transplanting outside, so down on even 10 weeks before that. Outside starting the time which is basically as soon as it's warm enough. It's March. So you watched my last video when I talked about how I'm planning when to start each seed time. Told me it's time for those. I got me a starter mix. I did seeds before without, but I like the starter mix. And since the big greenhouse not quite ready yet, we wanted to finish it enough so I can start the seeds, but that all won't fit, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. I have those miniature greenhouses with LED grow lights that I got for free on a yard sale, so I'll just use those. They should work just fine too. Hi, my name is Karen from Prepared and Sustainable Living. I do videos all around hunting, fishing, gardening, homesteading, foraging, home remedies, and a lot more. So if you like that kind of content, subscribe, like, and let me know what you want to see next. You might soon gonna see what's cooking over there on the stove. I might make a video for my maple syrup over there when I do the next batch if you guys want to see that. It's important with every seed you are growing to think about how much you really need. First, I fill the pots with some soil. Normally, I would do that outside, but after it is warm enough for the maple syrup season, it's now all of the sun cold again, and I'm not going to do that stuff. That means a lot more cleaning, but I'm the only one eating celery, so I'm not going to need that much of it. I'll make one row of those, and I think I'll make 2 rows of the leeks, about 10 plants. My last video talked about always calculate about the 20% extra. There's not all the celery coming up. Oh well, not that big of a deal. Then me alone just gonna eat less. Alright, start with that. Most of the seed packages tell you in the back when to seed them, how deep to seed them. You could measure that. I don't. The seeds from the leeks, from the celery is so tiny. I'll just going to spin them out if there's coming up more than one of each. I need to figure out the new microphone. These ones. I for some reason lost one part of my microphone. That's the one I put in my camera, which now means I had to get a new one, and it looks. I thought I charged that, so and it seems like the other microphone isn't connecting. We'll manage for today, and then I guess I need to fix that. Alright, the leeks is much bigger. You can actually see those seeds. My finger. Make some holes. Put it in here. 2 more. And I close them up. And then I go and get some water. These greenhouses have such a little reservoir underneath and never used them before, but they're supposed to help with retaining the water. So what they're supposed to do is having water down there at all times and not that much water on top of it because you don't want to have the plants have wet feet. But with there being water underneath it, it motivates the plants to we have the lid. Looks like a greenhouse. Once I untangle that, and take two of those lights, put them on top. I should do that before I put the lid on. Just like that. Good. I'll plug it in and we have a look if the light works. Alright, first of all, lights work. One of them does. 3 out of 4 do. Switch the light on. There we go. And now that switch has a timer. Put it on an 8-hour timer now and dim it. But for now that's just fine. And I have my greenhouse. So, but before we end the video, I have a small sneak peek for you. Check what I have in that pot. We started the first batch of maple syrup. It's too cold now for more. Started getting snow again. But the first batch is done. And soon enough, there's gonna come a video for that. So stay tuned for that. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you liked, what you didn't like, what plans you start this year, and what you want to see next. And until the next time, stay prepared and sustainable.